What's the meaning of altercation? Altercation. 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 Altercation.
Altercation refers to a heated or angry dispute or argument between two or more people. Altercations can occur for a variety of reasons and can involve shouting, physical aggression, or other forms of hostile behavior. The result of an altercation can vary depending on the severity of the conflict and the parties involved. In some cases, altercations may lead to physical violence and serious injury, while in others they may result in damaged relationships or simply unresolved tension.